French Revolution refers to a period of radical social and political upheaval that took place in France from 1789 to 1799. It was a pivotal event in world history and had a profound impact on the political, social, and cultural landscape of not only France but also the entire world. The French Revolution was triggered by a combination of political, economic, and social factors. France was grappling with a severe financial crisis caused by extravagant spending, a regressive tax system, and years of economic mismanagement. The society was characterized by deep social inequalities, with the privileged nobility and clergy enjoying significant privileges while the majority of the population, known as the Third Estate, faced immense hardships. The revolution began in 1789 with the convening of the Estates General, an assembly representing the three estates of French society. The Third Estate, representing the commoners, demanded fair representation and greater political power. Frustration and discontent among the people led to the storming of the Bastille, a fortress prison, on 14 July 1789, which is now commemorated as Bastille Day. The revolutionary period witnessed a series of profound changes and events. The monarchy was abolished, and the First French Republic was established. The revolutionaries introduced a range of radical reforms, including the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen, which proclaimed fundamental rights and principles such as liberty, equality, and fraternity. The revolution also witnessed a period of intense political turmoil and violence. The radical phase of the revolution, known as the Reign of Terror, saw the rise of Maximilien Robespierre and the Committee of Public Safety. Thousands of people, including King Louis XVI and Queen Marie Antoinette, were executed during this period as the revolutionaries sought to eliminate counter-revolutionary forces. The revolution had a profound impact not only within France but also across Europe and the world. It inspired the spread of revolutionary ideals such as democracy, nationalism, and popular sovereignty. The Napoleonic Wars, led by Napoleon Bonaparte, further transformed Europe's political landscape and introduced a legal code, the Napoleonic Code, which had lasting effects on legal systems. The French Revolution brought about significant changes in social structures. Feudalism was abolished, and the privileges of the nobility and clergy were curtailed. Land reforms sought to redistribute property and promote equality. The revolution eventually came to an end with the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte, who established himself as the first consul and later as emperor. Napoleon's reign marked a consolidation of power and the establishment of a new authoritarian regime, signaling the end of the revolutionary era. Overall, the French Revolution was a transformative event that challenged the existing political and social order, reshaped the concept of citizenship and individual rights, and set the stage for the emergence of modern democratic principles.